What is inflation? Monkey asked Mr. Bananas. Mr. Bananas is old monkey, seen many things, seen bubbles pop, seen banana currency disappear. Now monkey ask big question. Mr. Bananas go quiet. Thoughts come fast in his head. Too many bananas, too many coins, same banana, more coins, coins everywhere, but value going away. Mr. Banana scratch head, settle log, ready to teach. Mr. Bananas say, imagine jungle have 10 banana currency and 10 bananas. Banana cost 1 banana currency. Fair trade. Monkey work all day. Get 1 banana currency, buy 1 banana. Life good, life simple. But then something change. Monkey government print more banana currency. Now jungle have 20 banana currency, but still only 10 bananas. What happened? Banana now cost 2 banana currency. Same banana, double banana currency. This is inflation. Young monkey raise hand. Young monkey say, but Mr. Bananas, I have more banana currency now. Government give me extra banana currency. Mr. Bananas nod. Mr. Bananas say yes, you have more banana currency, but bananas still same. Every monkey have more banana currency, so monkeys bid against each other. Monkey say, I pay 3 banana currency. Other monkey say, I pay 4 banana currency. Other monkey say, I pay 5 banana currency. Banana seller happy. Banana seller raise price. Your extra banana currency gone. You can't buy more. You just pay more for same. Young monkey sad. Young monkey say, so more banana currency bad. Mr. Bananas laugh. Mr. Bananas say, more banana currency good if banana also more. But bananas not magic. Bananas need time. Bananas need trees. Bananas need rain. If banana currency double overnight but bananas still same, banana currency just worth less. Mr. Bananas hold up banana currency. Banana currency look same. Banana currency feel same, but banana currency different. Banana currency buy less. Mr. Bananas explain causes. First cause. Too much banana currency printed. Monkey government see jungle problems. Monkey government want help. Monkey government print banana currency. Give it to monkeys. Monkeys happy. Monkeys spend. But too much banana currency chase too few bananas. Prices go up. Inflation born. Second cause. Banana shortage. Bad season. Too much rain. Not enough sun. Bananas grow slow. Bananas few. But monkeys still hungry. Monkeys still need eat. Same banana currency. Less bananas. Price go up. Inflation grow. Third cause. Monkeys expect inflation. Monkeys think price will go up tomorrow. So monkeys buy today. Many monkeys buy today. Sellers see demand. Sellers raise price. Expectation become reality. Inflation spiral. Young monkeys head spins. This confusing. This scary. Mr. Bananas pats him. Come, Mr. Bananas show you something. He leads him to the old monkey cave. Drawings on the wall show history, show truth. Mr. Bananas points. Long ago, jungle had too much banana currency. Monkeys needed wheelbarrows just to buy one coconut. Banana currency worthless. Monkeys burned it for warmth. Huh? Young monkey shocked. Young monkey say, that happened? That real? Mr. Bananas nod. Mr. Bananas say, that real. That why monkeys learn. That why monkeys prepare. Young monkey say, how prepare? What monkey do? Mr. Bananas hold up banana. Mr. Bananas say, banana. But banana rot. Mr. Bananas laughs. Not eat. Own banana things. Things that hold value. Things monkeys always need. Things scarce. Things useful. Mr. Bananas point to different drawings. Drawings show monkeys trading bananas. Drawings show monkeys owning land. Drawing show monkeys owning tools, things that last, things that keep value in banana currency melt. But I no have land. I just have banana currency. Mr. Bananas smiles. Then you learn, you adapt, ask for more banana currency. If banana costs double, your labor should cost double. Negotiate, demand fair. Young monkey brightens. I ask boss for more? Yes, but also learn a skill. Skill makes you valuable. Valuable monkey gets more banana currency. Young monkey's stomach grows. He goes to buy a banana. How much? Banana seller looks at him. 3 banana currency. Huh? But yesterday too. Seller shrugs. Inflation, my friend, inflation. Young monkey buy banana anyway. Banana tastes same, but banana currency feels lighter. Young monkey understand now. Inflation real, inflation everywhere.